What's the meaning of concertgoer? Concertgoer. Concertgoer.
Concertgoer. Concertgoer. A concertgoer is a person who attends a musical performance, typically in a public venue. This term applies to people of all ages and backgrounds who enjoy live music. Concertgoers may attend concerts for various reasons, including their love for a particular artist or genre, the social aspect of attending with friends, or simply the pleasure of live music. Concerts can be an exciting and memorable experience for concertgoers, and they often contribute to the overall enjoyment and success of the event.